Good morning from Laughing Heart Hostel. This is, well, I guess Laughing Heart has a lot of stuff, but the hostel is right there. So I stayed there last night. Got in right at around like 7. It was really dark. It just feels like it's later than it actually is. So got in after dark. Hot Springs looked cool. I'm about to go back in to do resupply and get some breakfast, so yeah. Stay was good. Met up with Goosehawk. Haven't seen Goosehawk since around Harper's Ferry. Before Harper's Ferry, I think we crossed like Mason-Dixon together. So that's cool. I love seeing people that I haven't seen for like multiple states. Yeah, I'll put pictures up of Laughing Heart. Not going to take any videos of inside, but pictures should be sufficient. Great place to stay. Yeah, clean, comfortable. They had frozen food last night after most of the restaurants had, well, some were open, but I just wanted to be lazy and didn't want to go there. I just wanted to do frozen food. So yeah, my day-to-day is actually going to be pretty easy. I'm going to do like a half day. Go into Hot Springs, do resupply, eat some breakfast. I'm gonna go in with Maize, who's another hiker, and yeah, then do like a 12-13 mile day. Weather is kind of a big deal now. It looks like today's Wednesday. On Friday there's an all-day rain event over an inch, and then Saturday, Sunday, it looks like I'll be in the Smokies, but it is going to be absolutely freezing. So the plan now is to get to Standing Bear right before the Smokies, 0 on Friday, and then go into the Smokies despite the freezing temperatures. So we'll see how that plan works out, but yeah, that's how the next few days are shaping up. So here's downtown Hot Springs. Library and Outfitter are right there. And then I love this, like on the sidewalk, you got AT symbols kind of the whole way. And yeah, I just got my resupply. I also printed off my permit for the Smokies, so you do have to do that ahead of time. It costs $20, and you got to kind of say when you're going in and going out. And I think you got 8 days, 7 or 8 days to get through once you list your start date. So yeah, I did that, printed it off, and headed back to the hostel now. It's lunchtime for me. I'm still about, well, I'm just at like the base of Bluff Mountain, which is that big climb of the day. I just checked, it's around 4 miles and 2,300 feet of gain, so it's actually spaced out decently well. There's been some steeper sections like coming out of Irwin and stuff. And yeah, I'll show you what I'm doing for lunch. I got food bag out and everything. I got some bagels, so I'm gonna have a bagel and some peanut butter that I still got from Irwin and some goldfish. So pretty simple. I'm going pretty light from here to Standing Bear. Just 2 days of food. I barely had to get any resupply. And yeah, so just gonna fuel up and then big climb of the day up Bluff Mountain. Still slowly making my way up Bluff Mountain. It's been better part of like 2 hours coming up here. Yeah, just kind of a slow plod uphill. It's about a 4,600 foot mountain. Really no views, but the light is starting to get a little bit low, and yeah, it's a great day. It's not as hot as past few days. Feels like it's in like upper 50s, low 60s. So it's actually much easier to hike uphill in this weather. than it had been in the steep sections coming out of Irwin. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna get to the summit and just take a little 15-minute break. Today's only gonna be like 13 miles, so not in a real rush to get to camp before it gets dark. I should be able to do that pretty easily.
You packed that up here, guys?